Hey friends, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're making lemon lime vanilla crepes because why choose one flavor when you can have all three, right? These are soft and buttery thanks to the pan, citrusy, and honestly, they feel way fancier than they are. You look like a brunch boss in no time. To our blender, we're adding 1 cup of flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 3 eggs, please crack your eggs one at a time and add them to your blender because you don't want to make the mistake of having a bad egg, okay? So just do it one at a time as you see me doing, and you'll be good to go. Crepes are light, delicate, and totally worth the wait. You can't rush something this sweet. So slow it down. This is a brunch and not a race. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I love that song so much. Oh my God, let me stop. A splash of vanilla is like a little love note in the batter. Sweet, simple, and warm, just the way mornings should feel. 1.5 cups milk. Just creamy, calming, like the start of something good. This is where it all comes together. Slow mornings, soft music, and crepes in the making. And or lemon and lime juice, 1 teaspoon each. Notice, there's no butter going in here, but don't worry because we're not skipping it. We're just saving it for the hot pan. Trust the process, okay? Now you're going to blend that up in your Ninja or your blender until it's smoother than your pickup line. If you've got a Ninja, it'll take 20 seconds. Now you're going to pour that sunshiny batter into a bowl and let it rest for a few. That gives you time to clean your blender or maybe pretend you didn't see it. Look at how smooth that batter is. Trust me, it may look thin, but it is worth it, okay? These are going to be the best crepes you've ever had. Heat up a 10-inch pan on medium and add about 1/2 tablespoon of butter and watch it melt and sizzle. After you add your butter, you're going to swirl it around in the pan like a kitchen pro. Pour in about 1/3 cup of batter and swirl it around the pan like you're auditioning for a cooking show. Look at this. I want to share that not all crepes are created equal, but we're just going to keep on moving, right? At first you don't succeed, dust yourself off and try again. First you don't succeed. Dust yourself off and try again. Dust yourself off and try again. Try again. When the bottom gets golden, flip it. If you've nailed the first flip, congrats. You've officially become a kitchen legend. If not, hey, it still tastes amazing. Now, I could have went ahead and edit this clip and just show you how perfect it was when I make it the second time or the third time. But this is what goes behind the scenes. So I wanted to share that with you. And sometimes it's so discouraging. By the time you get to editing the video, you're like, oh my God, what is this? But I just wanted to be transparent with you guys, especially for my friends who are doing content creation. Just go ahead and post that content. Make it as natural as possible. That's what my aim is. This is also a Rhema word for myself. So let's try again. Add 1 tablespoon of butter again to your pan. Watch it sizzle and melt. Then you're going to pour in about 1/3 cup of batter again. Okay, add a little bit more because we don't want to fail again. So swirl it around the pan until it evenly coats the pan. And then once it's golden brown on one side, you are going to flip it. See, now you're becoming a pro at this. Want to hear a story, a true story? All right, let me tell you, stick around. If you don't want to, you can fast forward. I fell in love. Not with a person, I already did that, but with crepes. It all started when my sister-in-law took me to OHOP right after I had Kailani. I was sleep deprived, hungry, and just running on baby cuddles. And then I took 1 bite of that warm, buttery golden crepe and bam, boom. Instant obsession. From that moment on, I couldn't get enough. Sweet crepes, savory crepes, crepes I couldn't pronounce. I wanted them all. Then one day, OHOP was packed. When I tell you, that wait list had a wait list, and that wait list had a wait list packed. But the craving, the craving didn't care. So what did we do? Did we go home and eat toast like normal people? Nope. We drove 40 minutes across town to a random crepe spot, and let me tell you, it was worth every single mile. Because sometimes love makes you do crazy things. And in this case, love came wrapped in a thin buttery layer with raspberries and whipped cream. Anyways, these lemon lime crepes are bright. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share, and I will see you next time.